everyone. So we have our very special guest. We have my aunt here. She is
Monet Roncales.
so she is an accountant and we have a few questions for her to answer. So for our first question we have, can you walk me through your experience in accounting and finance?
Actually, I have 20 years experience in accounting. So far, I enjoy my job.
So thank you. So for our next question, what accounting software are you proficient in?
Xero and QuickBooks.
Can you explain how does it work?
Xero, actually, it was a accounting system used for recording data and making financial statement.
Okay, so thank you. And for our third question, how do you approach analyzing financial data to identify discrepancies or irregularities?
Actually, pag may mga discrepancy, binabalikan namin yung mga data, tapos ina-analyze namin kung saan yung nagkamali. Kino-compare namin, usually kunyari, monthly basis. Kino-compare namin last month versus ngayong current month. So, makikita mo dun yung discrepancy niya kung may mga errors. Ayun, by comparing the data.
Okay. Our next question is, can you describe an accounting process you've developed or improved?
Accounting process, improve, example, yung recording in journal, accounting book. So, ginagawa ko bali quarterly para, kasi yung iba kasi, yung ibang company, monthly nagre-record. So, ang mas ginagawa ko, sinasummary ko siya, then quarterly ko na siya nire-record para mas minimize yung time and hindi siya time consuming.
So that's good. Next is, when facing a tight deadline, how do you react?
Usually, syempre sa accounting, lagi talaga yan, may deadline. So, kailangan yung patience mo and of course, positive thinking. Siyempre, siguro sa tagal-tagal ko na rin sa accounting, alam ko na yung kumbaga parang prepare na ako kung ano yung mga dapat, yung mga data kailangan na siya, advance planning.
So that's good. You have to advance plan so that you can pass it on your deadline. So next is, what great success have you had in your accounting journey?
I think great success siguro yung learning experience. Kumbaga parang hindi ka nakokontento sa isang kumbaga every year may natutunan ka and then nai-improve mo pa siya. So kumbaga yearly improving yung mo experience mo and mas marami ka pang natututunan in the long run.
What steps do you take in preparing a budget?
Budget, of course, aalamin mo muna kung para sa yung yung iba-budget mo. I-analyze mo and magkano yung kailangan mo. Siyempre, a lot of preparation pag budget ang pinag-usapan. Kung magkano yung income ng company, kung ano lang yung allotted na budget. So, planning pa rin kung paano mo gagawin yung budget ng isang, kung ano yung babudgetan mo. Yun.
It is very crucial when you're budgeting money, especially, diba? So, how do you stay updated with technological advancements in accounting and finance?
Sa company namin, libre kasi yung mga training and seminar. So, yun ang unang, I think, nakakatulong to sa amin na nakakapag-update kami. Kumbaga, ayun, by training and seminar. So, nag-a-attend kami noon ng mga quarterly and kahit monthly, mas maigi. And yung iba naman, nagba-masteral. So, ako naman ginagawa ko, nagsiseminar ako, tsaka nagtitraining. para maging updated ka.
So, second to the last na question is, what steps do you take to minimize errors in financial reports or statements?
Steps. Actually, napaka broad yung Una, aalamin mo muna kung kailan yung deadline. Tapos, i-plan mo kung ano-ano yung mga gagawin mong reports. And then, actually, dapat i-utilize mo yung time mo. Hindi yung kung kailan deadline. Doon mo gagawin lahat ng reports mo. So, kailangan, first day pa lang, malayo pa lang yung deadline. Kailangan gawin mo na lahat ng individual report para at the end of the deadline, isa-summarize mo na lang. Then, siguro mga 5 days before deadline, tapos ka na, and then para i-review mo na lang yung financial statement. So, may iwasan yung error kapag gano'n. Kapag, kumbaga, naumpisahan mo na ng maaga, wag yung kung kailan deadline, saka ka magra-rush.
So, we have to, what do you call this? We don't want to procrastinate things so that the outcome will be nice and have minimal errors. So, for our last question, we have, what motivates you in the field of accounting? And where do you see yourself in the next few years?
Motivate. Siguro sa akin, every year, actually, para sa akin, hindi siya nakakasawa. Kasi every year, marami pa akong natutunan. Hindi ako nakokontento sa, today, kailangan mas i-improve ko ba. Yun, namomotivate ako kasi inilulook forward ko na marami pa akong matututunan tsaka magiging learning experience ko in accounting. And the last question.
Where do you see yourself in the next few years?
I think, siguro nasa stable na company ako and then doon ako magre-retire.
So you'll be retired with a stable job. So that's all. Thank you for listening. So we have my aunt Monette Roncales here. So
thank you for this interview. I hope marami kayong natutunan and sana maraming maging accountant sa inyo. Thank you.
So have a great day, guys. Bye.